Hi, my name is Chini. I am a wife, a mother, and a practicing registered nurse here in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will certainly be discussing about health, nutrition, fitness, wellness, probably more emphasis on cooking. These things are interconnected aspects of well-being, and they play an important role in maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Let's take a good look at this. Most times, we take care of our physical being. We care about health, we care about clothes, we care about cosmetics. They are very important, but it's very pertinent that we care for what we put into our body, into this system. The content in this channel we cut across various demographics, covering all ages. So all ages will benefit from this channel. We look towards aging gracefully, and also this channel is best for you because I'm going to give you so many tips that will help you to make an informed decision about your health, about your lifestyle. After they say we are what we eat. In conclusion, a balanced and mindful approach to nutrition contributes to a vibrant and fulfilling life. It's not about short-term changes, but cultivating a habit that promotes well-being and happiness. More are still coming your way from this channel. Kindly subscribe, share, and comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.